Welcome to mail time. All right, first package here. I actually bought this myself from procycle.com. Whoa! I got a new rear and front sprocket with a side cover gasket because unfortunately you have to remove the side cover to replace the front sprocket. And a while back, I had already got this chain and it's been sitting around. So I got everything I need now because it's good to replace all of it at once if you can. And the reason I'm doing this is because the front sprocket is completely trashed and it's starting to skip on the chain under heavy load, which is not good. Oh, in case you were wondering, this sprocket setup is 1550 and the one I have on there right now is 1447. Stock is 1450, making the setup I have on the bike right now a 6.4% increase, and this setup will be a 7.1% increase compared to stock. So it's only a 0.7% difference. You probably won't even notice it, but I thought I would give it a try. I'll explain more and show you how to replace everything in the very next video. All right, so next we got a letter from Till Death Doula Sports, and it's pretty cool. He's got his logo on there, and he even put my logo. That's some dedication. He's in Southern California. I thought he was in like Arizona for some reason. I think he was just riding there. But he's another TW200 moto vlogger. Check that out. He sent me some stickers. That's awesome. Definitely gonna put one of those on my bike. Thank you very much, Till Death Doula Sport. I really like that name, by the way. It's very creative. And next, we got one from Andre. Oh my goodness. Dude, you gave me a gift card. I really did not expect that. Thank you. The note says, Happy New Year 2019. Wish you the best and may God bless you, Andre. Dude, again, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I will definitely be investing this into the channel. Next, we have one from Dragon Rider 385. Says, thanks for the sticker and the cards. I hope you like this one. Make every ride an adventure. Thanks, Steve Nelson, Dragon Rider 385. Oh, dude, that's a pretty cool sticker. Check that out. I really appreciate it. All right, next we have a card that I actually already opened. It's a Christmas card from Benjamin, and look at that. It's all glittery. Merry Christmas. I hope you have a great holiday season. Thanks for my sticker. I love it. Keep up those awesome videos. Your videos are my favorite on YouTube. Thank you, Ben. I really appreciate it. All right, next I got another Christmas card that I opened a while back from Ethan Roach. And he has an Instagram. I don't think he has a YouTube, but I've actually gone riding with him. He's from Wyoming and he like drove all the way down here and we did like some exploring and it was pretty fun. And he's got a sticker. It says, Merry Christmas, have a safe and happy holiday. I hope you have a great Christmas. Thank you for the stickers. Much love, your friend, Ethan Roach. Thanks, Ethan. All right, next we have one from Rodney, and I actually already opened this one up because I was on my bike when I picked it up and it was in a bigger thing and I couldn't fit it anywhere, so I had to like take it out. The note says, TDubsKid. Thanks for making great videos, Rodney. Thanks, dude. And he gave me a bunch of stuff. Look at all this. Gave me some stickers. And he's actually an owner of a tattoo company called Paper Street Tattoo. He gave me two $25 gift vouchers for a tattoo and an Ozark Angler sticker, some business cards. Thank you very much, Rodney. I'm gonna stick one of these giant, cool looking stickers on my toolbox. Next, I got a letter from Sarah, and I opened this one already as well. She's from Australia, and check that out, some kangaroos. And it's cool, she made this letter all by herself. I won't read all of it to you guys because it is pretty long, but part of it says, I might not be able to send you a real kangaroo, but here's something I made for you in its place. Not quite as epic, but I hope you like it anyways. Smiley face. Thank you very much, Sarah. That was so nice of you. And I almost forgot, Dual ADV sent me a sticker and a t-shirt a while back. Thank you so much, Dakota. All right, last but not least, we have this giant package, and I actually already know what this is. It's from Cody. Wow, check that out. This is actually a header from a TTR 225, which actually fits directly on the TW200. And he's even got the heat shield with it. Cody, thank you so much. I really, I don't know what to say, but thank you. Cody has a 2012 TW200 he got not too long ago, and he put one just like this on it. It's really cool because he polished it all up. Here's a before and after picture of this one, I believe. But thanks again, Cody. It's super nice of you to like actually polish this up and send it to me. Super nice. I will definitely be installing this on the TW200 in the nearest future, and I will dedicate that video to you. All right, so that's all the mail for this time, but if you live in Colorado or you plan on visiting, you're gonna wanna stick around for this next part. So a guy named Ed Baum, left me a link to a new app that was created by the state of Colorado. It's called Colorado Trail Explorer, and it's a map kind of app, and it has most all the trails throughout Colorado. And it's cool, you can select your activity type. I'll just select motorcycle riding, obviously, and if you zoom in, it highlights all the trails for that certain activity. And then if you click on one, it gives you all the information, like how long it is, elevation, range, trail number, which is helpful, and it shows you everything it's open to and everything it's closed to. So everything's okay except highway vehicles and OHVs over 50. This is Dutch Fred. I've actually ridden this. And then on top of that, you can actually download sections of the map for offline use, which is pretty cool. And it also has community features, like I guess kind of like social media, but you have to create an account to use that, and then you can like follow people. It's like super cool. And it also has challenges. Check that out. Like conditions report challenge, litter cleanup challenge, drinking water challenge. This app looks so cool. So I read an article about it, and it states that there is 24,906 miles of trails and unpaved roads that allow motorized vehicles. And that's a lot. To put that into perspective, I don't even have 14,000 miles on my TW200 yet. And so I have my work cut out for me. So yeah, if you do any riding in Colorado or any other outdoor activity for that matter, definitely download that app. It's free, and the Colorado government apparently made it, so at least now I know my taxes are going to a good cause. But thank you, Ed Baum, for pointing that out. Definitely the best comment I've ever gotten. But anyways, let me know what you guys thought about mail time video down below, and I'll also leave links to everyone's social media and the app, especially the app, so you can check it out for yourself. And I will see you guys in the next video when I replace the sprockets and chains. Peace.